Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the upcoming listing of Pendle on Binance. Pendle is a DeFi protocol that enables the trading of tokenized future yield on an AMM system. It's currently built on Ethereum and Avalanche, and it's been gaining a lot of traction in the DeFi space. Binance listing. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, so its listing of Pendle is a big deal. It will give Pendle a lot more exposure to potential investors, and it could lead to a significant increase in the price of the token. How to buy crypto before listing on Binance? There are a few ways to buy crypto before it's listed on Binance. One way is to participate in a pre-sale. Pre-sales are events where investors can buy tokens before they're listed on an exchange. Another way to buy crypto before it's listed on Binance is to use a decentralized exchange, DEX. DEXs are platforms where you can trade cryptocurrencies without having to go through a centralized exchange like Binance. Risks and rewards. There are some risks associated with buying crypto before it's listed on a major exchange. For example, the price of the token could go down after it's listed, or the project could fail altogether. However, there are also some potential rewards. For example, you could get in at a lower price, and you could potentially make a lot of money if the project is successful. How to do your research before you buy any crypto. It's important to do your research. This means understanding the project, the team behind it, and the risks involved. You can find this information on the project's website, social media channels, and white paper. Conclusion: I think Pendle is a promising project, and I'm excited to see how it performs after it's listed on Binance. If you're interested in buying Pendle, I recommend doing your research and finding a reputable way to buy it before it's listed on Binance. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crypto content.